current faves and stuff. A game changer. And there is going to be a new item reveal in this video. I am obsessed with them. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan and I'm the owner of a small business called Fauna, and today's video is going to be a little bit different because I have got so much content at the minute and lots of studio vlogs. There's a fly buzzing around and it's really annoying me and it's driving the cats insane. So if you see that at any point, guys, I am so sorry. But I thought I would jump in with a little bit of a different bonus video for you all instead of just the constant studio vlogs. A lot of my content at the minute has been quite repetitive, but fingers crossed that will be changing soon. Not too much, don't worry, because I know a lot of you are enjoying that sort of content that I usually do. But I thought I would try this sort of video out because I know not everyone is a fan of the sit down chatty videos, but you have to let me know if you're interested in seeing extra content, different content here and there posted in between the vlogs. So in this little bonus video, I'm going to be talking you guys through some of my favorite things at the minute. This is something that was quite like a big thing years ago for like the cliche YouTubers when they first started out, chatting about like my current faves and stuff. But this is kind of going to be a mix of some personal sort of items, but it is mostly just small business stuff and just things that I've been enjoying recently as a small business owner. And there is going to be a new item reveal in this video, so just a little bit of a hint there to stay tuned because I'm really excited to show you all. But I'm going to get into it. The first thing that I am going to very quickly talk about, because this has been mentioned in multiple videos, but my chair. I'm on my comfy chair. This is something that I say a lot of time on it. I'm quite a busy person, but at the end of the day, this is where I will sit down and do my work at the end of the day because it's so comfy. It's my comfy armchair from Flexispot. There's a whole video about it and the makeover of this room and stuff. I do spend a lot of my time doing small business stuff here, so whether that be editing or trimming some scrunchy, finishing seam threads at the end of the day. So yeah, this is where we're going to kick off the favorites because it is definitely something that's become an absolute favorite thing of mine in my home. I love it so much. It's super comfy. So I will leave the video link down below where I do unbox this and talk about it and stuff. So that's kind of the first thing that I just wanted to quickly touch upon because I love it and I have been using it now for a few months and the love for this chair hasn't changed. So the first thing is actually this water bottle here, and I will talk more about this in a future vlog when I first got the bottle. That vlog will probably be coming in a couple of weeks time, but this is from a wonderful small business called Cotillo and I absolutely love these guys. We met them at an event. Again, you will see that vlog at some point soon, but this has become such a staple in my life, and Alex also has the lilac one and it's become a huge staple in his life. I have this gorgeous mint green colour and I love it so much. They're insulated, they're absolutely massive. You can also get some smaller ones, but I drink so much water. I am one dehydrated gal and I do drink a lot of water, so small water bottles just don't cut it for me. But this is incredible. I love all the colours that they create. They've got 5 currently, I believe: black, mint, lilac, coral. What am I missing? Oh, and like a beigey colour, like a creamy beigey colour. I had to really think then. And I was so torn between which colour to go with. So I ended up putting this on Instagram like a poll when I was first deciding what colour to go with. So I did end up going with the green one because it's on brand and it's one of my favourite colours. And you can get different lids for them. So I've got 2 other different lids. They come with replaceable straws, the cleaners. Honestly, this has been such a game changer. We all love a good water bottle, don't we? But this has just been great to carry around with me. This one is the little pop-up straw lid, but I got the 2 other lids as well and they do these incredible bags. Honestly, I just wanted to state that this is a favourite because I have this with me all the time. When I'm sewing away, it's super easy to just grab, pop the lid up and take a drink, and I don't have to constantly keep popping downstairs to fill up my water bottle because it's massive. It keeps drinks super cool. I honestly can't rave enough about these guys, so please go and check them out. I will leave all their information down below. They do also have a pre-order for a limited edition pink one. I think it's a collaboration with the Cool Mums Club, I believe. I could be mistaken, but these guys are great. I've recently just picked up one of their accessories for the car because these are hefty bottles. So they actually stock, I can't remember what they're called, but it is an Australian brand and they are the UK supplier for this brand. And it's basically something that you pop inside your car in your little cup holder thing that extends it and makes it like wider. So then this fits in. Does that make sense? So I recently picked up one of those so I can carry this in my car as well. It's been amazing. So first thing on my favorites, and staying hydrated is so important. that fly. So first favourite right there. And this is your reminder to grab a drink, stay hydrated, go get some water, guys. So my next current favourite is actually something I'm currently using, and it is my camera and my microphone. So those of you who've been here for a short while now will know that I recently got a new camera. I have got the DJI, whoa, think before you speak, Megan. DJI. It's the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm just going to stop there because I'm embarrassing myself. I got the creator combo, so I got the microphone with it, and I love this thing so much. It's been such a game changer. It's so small, it's so compact, it's lightweight. The quality is amazing. I've loved having the microphone so I can take you guys along with me to like events and stuff. It's been great. It's super, super easy to use. I cannot fault this thing. I love it so much, and hopefully you guys have really enjoyed seeing improvement in the quality and stuff, and hopefully the better audio and whatnot. So this has been such a game changer. I love the fact that I can also very quickly record and film short form content as well, because I do use my phone for a lot of that, but my memory is just constantly getting full on my phone. So it's been incredible to be able to just very quickly record short form content on this as well, because it doesn't really matter which way I hold it. I can just change the screen, flip the screen, horizontals to do long form content, or I can't speak today, long form content, or I can just flip it vertically and I can do short form content. It's been a game changer. So I absolutely love it. If you guys are considering getting a new camera or looking into this camera, personally, I would really recommend it. I think it's absolutely incredible. It's really helped me and my small business and the content creation. So definitely loving that at the minute. And I think I always will love it. So kind of following on from that, sticking to the whole like YouTube and content style things, I have a favorite content creator at the minute, and I think it's great to always spread the word about other creators and other small businesses where and when you can. I don't have a massive audience, but if I can help spread the word and it reach like one person, it's always worth it. So someone I've absolutely been loving at the minute is a YouTuber and a small business owner who is actually a polymer clay artist. I think I'm pretty sure it's polymer clay. Yeah, it's not air dry, it's polymer clay. And I will leave all of her information down below, but I'm pretty sure it's Tiny Bloom Studios, and I love her videos. She does really funny, chilled out, relaxed content about her small business. She does markets and stuff, but she is relatable. She just shows the positives, the ups, the downs. She's just really fun to watch, and I always find her videos so relaxing. I love her work. She creates the cutest things, so I would definitely recommend checking her out. I'm always looking for new people to watch and new content to sort of consume, so please go and check Emma's content out. She's just really fun and I love her stuff, and she's often keeping me company in the studio at the minute. I have her vlogs on in the background and stuff, so yeah, someone I'm loving at the minute is Tiny Bloom Studios and Emma's content, so please go and check her out, and hopefully you guys will love her content as much as I do. So the next thing on my favorites list is actually some really tiny scissors that I have been using non-stop. I absolutely love these things. So they're the Merchant and Mills baby bow scissors, and I got mine from the wonderful Shropshire Sews. So I recently showed off some goodies that I picked out from Ruth's wonderful shop, including these scissors, and I love them. They're black, they're tiny, so my gothic heart absolutely loves them. They've got a little M on it, which I know isn't obviously like for Megan, but kind of feels like it's branded with my initial on there. But they're great. They're tiny, like I said, so I can easily take them to events with me. So if I need to like trim any threads or whatever, they're just great. I love them. They're sleek, they're so fun and easy to use, and they're perfect for trimming my little scrunchy threads. I love these so much, and they're only £6 on Ruth's shop. So please go and check out Shropshire Sews as well. All the information is down below. I will link the scissors because they're great. You'll probably see me using these quite often in upcoming vlogs. So the next thing, I am really excited to show you guys these. Bit of a reveal. This is going to be a new drop, which is going to be happening on Friday, the 1st of August. You'll have to check out all the social media or sign up to the email marketing, because these are going to be dropping Friday evening. I've not 100% decided the ins and outs of when these are going to be dropping. I'm not sure if it's going to be pre-sale yet, but this is something that I have been wanting to do for a very, very long time, and I finally bit the bullet and done it, and I really hope you guys love them. I'm getting nervous now because I really want you guys to love these as much as I do. But for my fellow chaotic messes out there, for those of you who are just trying to fumble your way through life, I've created my first merchy sort of item, because I know there's quite a lot of you out there who do watch the vlogs, but you're not interested in scrunchies, or you maybe have really short hair so you don't wear scrunchies or whatnot. But I absolutely adore caps. I love vintage caps, and I really loved the idea of having my own caps. So I have got the new chaotic mess caps that are going to be launching on Friday the 1st of October. No, not October, August. I have 3 colorways, so a huge thank you to my wonderful family members who have helped me choose the colors, because they get to see a lot of all the processes and stuff and behind the scenes before everyone else. So huge thank you to you guys for helping me decide what colors to go with. So I have actually chosen 2 green colors and 1 black color because it's the Fauna Rose colors, but they're all in this vintage wash, which I absolutely love. And to top it off, they are branded with Fauna Rose on them. They've got my logo on the back and I am obsessed with them. So we've got the first one, which is a sage color. This is what it looks like. It's like this distressed acid wash color, and this one's the sage one. And here on the back, we have the Fauna Rose logo. So the front says chaotic mess with some little sparkly stars. They are adjustable on the back and I am obsessed with them. So the design on the front isn't absolutely massive because it's just like a little touch of just letting people know I'm a chaotic mess, but it's not like right in your face. So I am absolutely thrilled with them. So sage is the first color. Then next we've got olive, which again, I am obsessed with. And there's the logo on the back. Again, chaotic mess, such a beautiful color. And then I couldn't pass up a staple. We've got the black, and the black is this beautiful vintage acid wash grey color. So it is classed as black, but it's kind of, as you can see, like more of a washed out black, and I am obsessed with this. I love it so much. So again, chaotic mess, Fauna Rose on the back. Shall I put one on? I don't know if it's going to work because I've got like a scrunchie at the back of my head here, but I love them so much. So I hope you like them. This might be the first look. I'm going to try my best to get some content out the weekend that's coming up, which is going to be the weekend that's just gone for you guys, and hopefully start marketing them and stuff. But they're so comfy. I love them. So please head on over to the website on Friday if you want to pick one of these up. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure at this current moment in time that I'm filming this as to whether or not it's going to be a pre-sale or they're actually going to be available to buy there and then. But even if it is a pre-sale, the wait time is going to be really short for you guys to actually like get them. But there you have it. I am so excited to finally share these with you guys. So I really hope that you like them as much as I do. A current favorite of mine is my new merch. I'm really proud of them. I love them so much. So I had to take this opportunity to show those off. So stay tuned, check out all the social media and heading over to the website on Friday, August the 1st. It will be in the evening, British summertime. If I have like more information about the launch or if it's going to be pre-sale or whatever, I will leave it either on the screen or down below. But please let me know what you think. Please let me know which one is your favorite color. Do we like the black? Do we like the olive? Or do we like the sage? But moving on, the next thing on my favorite list is actually my jar opener. So I made these for my no waste collection, but I kept one for myself. I kept one of the prototypes, and I'm tooting my own horn here, guys, but I love this thing. I use it every single day. I do have really weak wrists, weak thumbs. I have some issues with like carpal tunnel pain, tendonitis, all that really exciting stuff. And I do struggle to open stuff sometimes, or even if I'm not struggling that day, it is sometimes just easier instead of having to use strength to just simply open them. I find opening my flask super easy. I find opening jars super easy, a bunch of different containers and whatnot. I honestly grab this thing every single day, multiple times a day. I do think that there is still a few left on my website, but I will be making more in the future. But I honestly love it and I use it often, so I had to include it on my faves list. And that's kind of going to lead me on to the next thing, because it is something else that I have made. This favorite list is kind of been just I love everything I make. I love me and my shop, which is a bit selfish, so I'm sorry about that, guys, but it just so happens that a lot of my favorite things at the minute are just to do with like my shop, so apologies about that. But my final favorite thing that's on my list is actually my new shop sign that I made. So it's one of those signs that you can attach to your gazebo. If you've seen some of the recent vlogs, you would have seen me potentially making this or taking it along with me to events and stuff, but it's just basically like an L bracket style shop sign that I made out of some scrap wood. But I have received so many compliments about this sign, and every time I take it to an event or I've got it out, because I've used it on my table as well, people love it. It was super easy to use. I mean, if you've got the right tools and you've got a silhouette or a Cricut machine, then you can easily make something like this. But I would definitely give it a go if you've got a small business yourself, because this has really upped like my market setup game when it comes to like my gazebo and stuff, because people can see me from the side. It just adds like an extra fun, cute detail to your setup. I would really recommend looking into either buying one of these or DIYing them. Personally, I would always try and find a more affordable solution, because they're quite expensive to buy, but they're really cheap and affordable to DIY. So if you can DIY work, Words. If you can DIY one, I'd give it a go because they're quite easy to make and it won't cost you much whatsoever. So that is the end of my current faves. Let me put another cap on because I just love these so much. That is the end of my current faves. I hope that you enjoyed this little different video, just a sit down, fun, hopefully quick video. You're gonna have to let me know something that you are loving at the minute, whether it be a drink or a snack, whether it be a new TV show, whether it be a new small business, anything. I'm really nosy and I love to hear what you guys are loving at the minute, so please leave your comments down below. But I'm gonna go. Please give it a massive thumbs up, leave those comments like I just mentioned, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you could consider subscribing. And apart from that, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!